In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Replit app on the Google Play Store. First, you want to find the application which you want to publish to the Play Store. I have this sample app which I just created, Currency Converter. So you want to open up the app itself, and you may see the option to publish it to the App Store, but not the Google Play Store. So here's what we need to do. After you have published the app, you will click on share here. You just want to copy this. So click on share, and then you will go into medium.co. From here, you will need to create an account and just paste the link which we copied and click on build your app. Once you click on build your app, you will need to set a name for it. So I'm just going to do Currency Converter, and you will click on start building my app. Now this is going to begin integrating your app for Android, iOS. So here you have the simulation as well. So it's going to show you building, and it's going to take some time for it to build. So this is going to be the simulator, and here you have the option of Android phone as well. So once you have this created, then what we need to do, okay, so once you have your app converted, then we will just go and select Android phone, scroll down, and you will see download as an option. Click on download, and here you will see Android APK or AAB, and you have the option of downloading the source code as well. So we will just choose the first option and click on build. Once you download it, then you will need a Google Play Console account. So Google search for Google Play Console if you don't have an account already, and open this up. Now it's going to ask you to create a Google Play Console developer account. We're just going to do an educational institution here, and you will create your Google Play Console account. It is going to cost you $25. It's going to have a one-time fee, so $25. And afterwards, you will be able to upload this APK/AAB file to your Google Play Console, and you can launch your app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.